Hey guys, today we're doing a frontal sewing. Right now I'm doing a braid down foundation for it, which is our scrape backs. I do small light braids so that everything will be flat. There's no lumps and nothing. So I'll be back after this process. So this is the braid foundation after it's all braid down. As you can see, it's flat. This is just Jamaican black rice oil I use to apply to their scalp, and I'm massaging it. It's a hair growth oil. Found in our nearest beauty supply store. And I apply little droplets and then massage it into the scalp. Now you can apply any edge tamer or anything you use to slick back their natural edges. And then you comb it all through and slick it back so that no glue or anything will pull out their edges. After that, you apply a wig cap. I use the beige light color, and then I sew the back of it all around ear to ear. Let's spray the got to be spray along the hairline the way that you will cut it off. Right now I'm cutting out the ear tabs on the frontal so that anything won't be against her ear. So you go, use a comb, you part out, and then you cut the excess lace off, as shown right here. Make sure you try to get the foundation or the concealer, whatever you use to put the makeup on the ball cap, to be as close as their skin as you can get it. I used the light foundation, then I went back with a little darker foundation, but she's a mixture of both. To wipe off the excess makeup with alcohol. Your 3 layers of glue. You can now apply the glue once it's clear and sort of tacky, not pulling back against you, but tacky enough for it to lay down. Now I'm just taking our extra hairs that's going to be cut out. I'm going to cut out the lace. Obviously I use a razor to cut off the lace. Apply the glue in certain areas where it's not laying flat. You can part out where they're parting. She wanted a deep side part, so we did that. And also I parted out from the middle part on where to put the baby hairs, just in case she changed her partings. Now I'm just tucking extra dense areas, and I plucked a little bit of the baby hairs. But now I'm just hot combing the baby hairs forward. Okay, whatever is used for holding spray, I use a lace adhesive. So I'm spraying it along the lace and going to tie it down with a elastic band. This you have to move on quickly so that the lace won't lift. And I kept it on until sewing the bundles in the back end. Don't forget to sew down the frontal, and then you can start sewing down the bundles in the back. Now cutting off the baby hairs. I didn't want them too short, and neither wanted them too long. I'm now applying foam to mold down the hair and getting ready to do the baby hairs. We're also putting curls in. They're really pretty.